Right? Or Sky Cats.
Lil Tay's not a rapper.
She made a song.
And it's trash.
True. She tried to be like...
no rapper, she's a song.
She tried to be like Lil Pump. Lil Pump. Lego. This is our friends. Maddie, Eric. Maddie, Eric. Come on, Maddie. I gotta break my bestie.
It is night.
He attacked me out. You better not get arrested.
Hey, I'm driving. Come on, brother.
You left him.
No, I'm not driving. Forget it. I'm not driving.
Come on, come here, Rick.
Why are we holding hands?
We're just like, no, we can't be together.
I love you.
I love you, but
I love
be
you.
together, cause that's gay.
You.
I love you, but we can't be together, cause that's gay.
I don't have a key card. So y'all on your own.
But he does.
I lost. Wait, no way. No fit. He really has a key card though.
You got a key. You got a key card? You got a key card?
You gotta climb the thing.
Okay. Whatever.
Jump! Tell him to. Motherfucker, jump.
Jumped on his head. I lost my stamina. He probably did too. I lost stamina. I can't spell it.
Oh yeah.
No!
No, you did not. You're either gonna have to reset or go back.
I fell off.
How are you gonna help? What do you want? Stop shooting me, you nut. You nut butt. Sent on my wrist. Cold ass.
Finally, got up.
Bruh. We're already there. Waiting. We're waiting for them to come outside. Oh, they outside?
Making my AK. Looking like a baby. We can't do it like we. They can't do it like we. We can do it like that. Cause we, the women know. Yo, we gotta team up with Red Spider. Wait, don't kill the criminals. You're a friend.
I don't care. I'm killing anyone.
Okay.
That's what we came out for. Lights out. You guys should be in bed.
You guys, they're not outside. They're
I
inside.
see them.
Wait, how'd you get a key card?
I don't know. Oh, I found it on the ground. Sent on my wrist. What happened to Medic? Don't say that.
He a criminal, and he my friend. He my friend. I friended him, and I friended Lil Pooh.
Did he leave?
No, he's in. Look, Medic. I'll jump.
We just murked them, alright? Jump off the.
Oh, that's where Maddie went. He jumped off. Let me get a hammer so I can hammer these people.
Come outside, brother.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
We're gonna watch the security cameras. Yeah, come outside, you.
Let me get a pistol. No, the pistol left.
Come out. It's purge night.
He over here. He over here. You dummy. You dummy. He thought he can just be better. All open.
Purge night.
No, he my friend. He my friend. He got the bag and everything.
Stuck in this muffin. See?
The girl! The cops!
Itty cups. Yeah, come outside, come outside. Come inside, come inside! Go inside!
Who's killing me? How am I gonna kill?
Go inside!
I'm trying to go inside, but I can't go inside because I lost my stamina and I don't have a key card. I don't have a key card, and I don't have a key card. And I need a reload, I don't need to be told. And I don't know why I'm singing.
Then stop that. Stop that.
They're all awake now.
Because it's breakfast.
Exactly. So how do you reload?
Yo, let my boy in.
Sean, how do you reload? Sean, how do you reload? Sean, how do you reload? Sean.
R reload.
Fine. Do you not see this guy? It's funny. What? Let me get his gun.
Oh, my boy has a key card. Ah.
Who? What's his name?
It's Red Spider-Man. Red Spider.
D-O-O-T-S-Y. That's my name. Why don't you try to beat me? Cause I'm the real dolphin. D-O-O-T-S-Y. That's my name.
Who's not?
This guy died. Sean, hide your gun. When they come out.
I mean, we're a criminal, so.
Let me in. Let me in.
Yeah, my boy a criminal.
And my boy a criminal. Criminal.
We're just gonna kill everyone, alright? Just kill everyone.
And my boy a criminal. That's my name. So don't you try to beat me. Cause I'm Dorothy. Oh! He shot me! No! Ha!
Look at this dude.
Look at this.
Stuck in the
Look at
ground.
his hair.
I'm killing everyone. I don't care.
Yard, folks.
Alright, get in the yard. Get in the yard.
D-R-O-T-H-Y, that's my name, so don't you try to be some real Dorothy. I don't know why, it's so catchy.
No, he died. No. Get him, everyone. Light him up.
You're scared now, huh? You're scared now. Oh.
They've been scared.
Come out, you noob. We got a whole
They
army.
got SWAT.
Oh, God. Hello, you nut.
Come on, he's scared.
Why are you saying, oh no, you scared?
Yeah, they got the SWAT.
So? We have an army. Ow, why are you trying to hit me? That's it. I killed him. You trying to hit me with your hammer?
Yo, why would you? You nut. Who died? Oh, the dirt.
The dirt. I'm going to watch security cameras. Security cameras? I'm gonna let the bus one of them out. Come on.
Yo, he's stuck inside. My boy, my son. Open up again. Open up again.
Look, this guy has the wings.
Dang, son. Oh, you got a key card. Let me get that. Oh, dang, can't take it.
D-R-T. Look, this guy has the wings. This guy has a key card. Oh, see ya.
Just keep shooting them.
Hi.
They let me in, everybody. Shut up.
Nah, that's it. No, she tried to arrest me. See ya. No, let me out. Hello, come on. It didn't take me that long.
Keep shooting it.
They act like they're not the only police here.
Oh, she missed.
We'll get an extra of everything. D-O-R-L-T-I. These outfits are terrible.
No, they got me.
I wish you could wear their outfits. No.
Yes, yes, I'm alive.
Sean, if they just kill you with the
They tasered me.
The taser.
So if they arrest me, I'm a criminal. Not a criminal, but I'm in jail if they arrest me. But you have to reset before they do anything.
No,
So
but if they tase you, they tase you.
They tase you, then you reset. You have to do it quick, like Born and needle. Born and needle. Dang, Sunday, all on you. They about to destroy you, brother. I'm sorry, Shiloh, but I'm gonna come kill you. I'm just kidding. Coming.
I'm gonna just escape with the hammer, okay?
Yeah, please do. Or you can go in there and get a gun and get the hammer and destroy everyone. Just get the hammer and run. This guy is just
right there.
Get the hammer and run. And run.
Oh, I pressed the button. No, I'm about to hit you with a hammer, lady.
She's a criminal. You can't. Grab it and boom.
Lean and dab. Lean and dab. How does he have handcuffs? Yeah, miss. No one killed Kyrie. Dang. I hate him. He spelled it right.
What are you talking about?
Did he just unfriend me? You're a chest, Rick. No, let me out, let me out. Let me out. Just let me out, bruh. Will you be my friend? Thanks. Thank you. Rick, don't kill me. Come on, Rick. Come on, Red.
Can I test out this gun?
You're missing. Can you bring me? Can you get a key card?
From where? Maybe you need a key card.
Maybe I'll just beat them up.
Yeah,
Got
I'm
'em.
gonna do that.
No, let me out. I want you to let me out. Or I beat you up. They want to arrest me? I try to beat them up.
You try. You should take the M9. Take an M9 and act like you have nothing.
Do I need...
You know why we joined this game, right?
Yeah.
Lil Pimp.
I will hit you with a hammer if you keep saying ha ha ha.
You kill me? I knew you had a gun.
You don't need that gun.
She tased me.
Yeah, if they tase you, nothing. But if they arrest you, something. Make sure no one sees me.
Oh, I locked it again. I got so bored.
No, I like it. I love it. You only joined because
He was still playing Prison Life. Or he just joined a different server.
I friended him.
Lil Pimp?
Lil Pimp.
She looks like Lil Pimp.
No, I'm not.
Mother play a throwback.